Hi everyone. On today's video, we'll be educating you on the use of computer in automobile manufacturing. These are the things we'll be taking you through on today's video. Stay tuned. As we all know, with the help of computers, major advancements have been made in manufacturing process and improved product quality. Definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device that receives data as input, process, store, and output data. A computer is a device that can be programmed to carry out a set of instructions.
Definition of automobile manufacturing. Automobile manufacturing is the process of producing cars and other vehicles on a large scale. This process involves the design, engineering, and production of vehicles using specialized machines and robots. The effects of the uses of computers in automobile manufacturing. The use of computers in automobile manufacturing has led to increased efficiency, improved quality control, enhanced design and simulations, real-time monitoring and data analysis, automation, and robotics. Here are the advantages of the use of computer in automobile manufacturing. The use of computers in automobile manufacturing offers many advantages, which include greater efficiency, increased accuracy, improved safety, improved flexibility, increased customization, and reduced waste. Also, we have the disadvantages of the use of computers in automobile manufacturing. Potential drawbacks include increased reliance on automation leading to job displacement, susceptibility to cyber threats, and high initial cost for technology integration. Roles played by computer in automobile manufacturing. Computers enhance precision in design, automate assembly lines, manage logistics, and aid in quality control, optimizing efficiency throughout the automobile manufacturing process. Case study. In recent times, manufacturing industries and companies uses old tools to prototype vehicles, which causes delay in production. But now we have computer-aided design, CAD, which enable faster prototyping, reducing development time for Tesla's electric vehicles, showcasing the impact of computers in automotive innovation.
In conclusion, the use of computers in automobile manufacturing has improved the industry, bringing numerous benefits and significant advancements. This technology has a profound impact on various aspects of the manufacturing process and productivity. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for more educating videos. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till we see you next time. Bye-bye.